Hello friends, good evening. Today I'm going to explain you about there is a frequent electronic bank statement error. So how to rectify that error, then let us see that one. So before going to that one, so first let us look into the configuration of electronic bank statement. Even though the configuration is correct, but sometimes still the error it may occur. So due to some internal mapping. So but let us see that one, how to rectify that error. Okay, so that before going to then what could be the error. Okay, let me share my screen and show you. So now before going to replicate that error, so let us look into the configuration of the electronic bank statement. Now, so the posting rules, these are the posting rules which I have already created for main bank account, outgoing and incoming account. Then the same for the same posting rules, I have assigned the GL accounts here. So now let me move into the posting rules, keys for the posting rule. If you see here, I have created only the two posting rules. One is for the outgoing, another one is for the incoming. Okay, where I do not want the for main bank account. Now, let us look into the posting rules, how the posting rules has been configured here. Define posting rules. If I come here, see now B002, this is the posting rule which I have configured for outgoing payment. Okay, so now here my clearing account, see, let us look into this one, the B002 is the outgoing clearing account and B001 is the main bank account. So this is the posting rule which is going to, when we do the payment to the vendors, at the time of payment, then the accounting entry would be a vendor account will be debited, outgoing clearing account will be credited here. Now, when we receive the EBS statement, then it should be a vice versa. So the main bank account will get credited here, then my clearing account will get debited here. Now the scenario what I am going to test here, it is for the incoming payment, customer incoming payments. Here the posting rule B003, which is for the incoming payment. So where I have configured. So let us look into the first one. This posting rule, the posting area 1. So here, as soon as once the payment will be, okay, once the payment will be received from the customer, what will be the accounting entry? My main bank account will be debit, clearing account will be credit here. Then the posting area also 1, then posting type also 1. Now, let us look into this one here. See the posting area 2. Posting area 2 is a subledger posting. The moment when we receive electronic bank statement from the bank, what system should supposed to do? System should post GL entry where main bank account debit and incoming clearing account should be credit. At the same time, the system need to clear the customer line item also. In order to clear the customer line item, this is the posting rule, it is going to work. Here, what I have specified here, now credit debit should be my incoming clearing account. But how system should know? They should get cleared subledger account. This is where the controls will be posting rule. See, the subledger account should be clear, and also the posting type should be a clear credit subledger account. Okay, now the configuration. Okay, we have seen the posting rules, everything is fine. Now creation of transaction type. So this is the transaction type what I have created here. Then external transactions. See now 164 for outgoing payment, 165 is for my incoming payment. Now this already been assigned to the bank account. So now let me show you that the bank account where I have assigned here. So this is the bank account what I am going to use in order to get debit money into this bank account. Let us look into the bank account. FY12, company code, then this is the bank key. If you see here, this is the bank account number, this is the house bank. Okay, so now this is the main bank GL account what I have assigned here. So as per the configuration, everything is fine. This is the configuration perspective. Now let us look into the scenario as I have explained here. I want to receive payment from the customer. So at the time of receiving, I am noticing that error. Okay. So now before going to upload the statement into the system, let us see that this is the customer. This is the customer where it is having 50,000 rupees, which I need to receive from the customer. Okay. So now let us see the EBS file. So as I have explained, this is the EBS file which we need to upload into the system. Okay, so now if you see here, okay, so here the amount what I want to receive here is the 50,000 rupees. So now this is the amount which I am going to receive from the customer, 50,000 rupees. This is my opening balance. 50 plus 40, it should be a 90,000. The closing balance should be a 90,000. Then make sure that then now the reference number, in the reference number, what I have specified here is this is the document number, customer document number, what it has posted, 50106. Here also 50106. Okay. So now let me upload this file into the system. Then even though if you see here, in order to see my opening and closing balance in this account, go to transaction code FF67. If you wanted to know, if you have already uploaded couple of statements into the system, then you want to see what would be my opening balance of that bank account and what would be the closing balance of that bank account. Come to the transaction code FF67, then click on overview, then choose your bank account, identify here. So this is the bank account 2727, then double click here. See now this is your opening balance, this is your closing balance. Okay, so now here if you see, this is opening balance. Now as soon as once I receive payment from the customer, the 50,000 rupees, then 40 plus 50, it should be 90,000 rupees. That is what I just maintained here. Okay, 1 additional 0 I have maintained. I just rectified that one. Now let me upload the file into the system. Okay, so make sure that which I want to receive 50,000 rupees from the customer. Then let me upload the file FF_5. Let me select the variant. So this is the BI format, file format what I am using. So BI, let me select the file. Okay, BIAR, where you can see here. Okay, let me upload this file into the system. So you just ignore. So only the required things to be selected here. Let me upload this file into the system. Okay, see now opening balance and closing balance, which is not matching. Okay, just ignore this one. See now, even though the configuration, everything looks fine, the file what we have prepared, it's everything looks fine. Even though still the system is throwing this error, the difference is too large for the clearing. Why the error is occurring? Okay, so in the configuration, if you remember, in this configuration, assign external transactions, For incoming payment, this is the BI code what we are using, 165, where you can see here. Okay, so now here the problem here is that interpretation algorithm. Okay, so now most of the cases for customer incoming payments, we are going to select is a document number, search for the customer number for the document line item. Even though if you select this one also, even sometimes the system was throwing the same error. What we need to do here, instead of 000, no interpretation algorithm, just select the 001, the standard algorithm, and save it. First, save this one. Make sure that the standard algorithm 001. Now, because I have already uploaded the file into the system. Okay, so now in order to, if I try to upload the same file into the system will not accept, because the same statement which we have already uploaded. So now what I will do here, let me delete the statement from the system before going to upload that one. So now, what is this statement? What is the sort key for this statement? This you can see here, 192 is the sort key here. Then come here. See now, if you can specify here directly 192 sort key and identify, okay, and delete the statement. Okay, the statement has been deleted, and at the same time, I will reverse this document also. Okay, I do not want to post only this document. Then document number 36/n FB08 36, the document what I would like to reverse. See now the document 37 has been posted. Let me check the customer line items in case if there are any. See now only one line item which is there in the customer open item. Then now let me upload this file into the system once again and see that. Then going back here. So now let me choose the file once again. AR. Let me upload this one. Okay, closing balance and opening balance, which is not matching. That's fine. Continue. See now, the document, this has been posted for my customer clearance. This is the subledger posting. This is my main bank account posting. Okay, let us check the documents. Document number 38, this has been posted. My main bank account is debited. Bank of India clearing account, it has been credited here, 40 and 50. Now let us look into the 50306 document here. Go here, first refresh. See now there are no open items in the customer master data. Let us select the cleared item, display this one. Now you can see here for the 50,000 rupees, 50306, this is the document, DZ is the document, incoming payment, this is my invoice. Okay, where you can see here. So the conclusion is that the system was unable to clear the customer line item due to the wrong interpretation algorithm what we have assigned in the configuration. Make sure that if you assign, even though the configuration and everything is correct, sometimes the system will throw the error. So make sure that the interpretation algorithm should be corrected here in order to rectify that error. Okay, so in case if you have any further queries, so please update your comments so that I'll respond back to your queries. Okay, thank you for watching and see you soon.